Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad 3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And to get started, all you would do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and here just swipe down. Once the device turns off, you're going to hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now I do want to point out, if your device isn't turning off or allowing you to turn off by holding power button and volume up and swiping down, and it requires you to put in a screen lock, you can just straight up start holding, sorry for the focus, you can just straight up start holding power button and volume down instead. So I'm gonna start holding it now. So you can, if your device is off, hold power button, volume down. If it's on, you can also hold it, but you're gonna hold it for much longer. And when you see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Once you see the language selection, you can let go of the volume down as well. And next, click on your desired language and then select Format Data. This will generate a random code as a confirmation of reset. This code is completely irrelevant to what your screen lock is. This is just kind of like a little stopper, so if you clicked on the Format Data by mistake, so it doesn't automatically just wipe your entire tablet, even though maybe you just clicked on it by mistake. So we're just gonna type that in, 5803. Now for you, this code will be completely different. It's randomly generated every single time you press on Format Data. Next, we're just gonna confirm that, and it begins wiping. Okay, it's done wiping and automatically now reboots the device and continues the resetting in the background. Now this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.